Greetings and salutations. So, have you heard of the Cadillac Ranch in Amarillo, Texas? I took you there once or twice. Up there. The Cadillac Ranch ain't got nothing on the Goldfield automobile garden. Check this out. Come on, let's go check it out. Well, apparently this is an art installation that was put here, quite a few years ago. I don't know all that much about it right now, but when I get home, I'll do a little bit of research and annotate my findings here. Nice, what this 1965 school bus, perhaps. Vince and Megan were here. Big, beautiful, and broke. Ain't we all? Pink Floyd fans will understand that. Kathy from St. Cloud, Florida was here. Look at that, it's perfectly good. Your Flowmaster muffler, man. I'm surprised that's still there, actually. It looks like people come out here and tag these, and that's fine. Probably the same principle as Cadillac Ranch. You can, bring spray paint out here and tag the vehicles, and just, if you bring in cans of paint, take cans of paint out. One thing that I did notice about this place is I don't see a bunch of spray paint cans laying around. Just a couple of, I picked up a Arizona iced tea can. And I need to find 4 more pieces of trash to haul out of here, but other than that, it's a pretty clean place. If you ever find yourself in Goldfield, even if you're just passing through, do not, I repeat, do not exceed the speed limit, because the cops are just itching to pull somebody over. Oh, I'm gonna throw the drone up real quick and take a little flight. Give you a bird's eye perspective of this place. Dizzy. Oh. Okay, ready to fly. From atlasobscura.com, Dateline, Goldfield, Nevada. The International Car Forest of the Last Church. Graffiti, cars, and religion combined to create this jungle of scrap in the Nevada desert. The International Car Forest of the Last Church is the dream project of two Nevadan artists. This church looks more akin to a Druidic henge of junkers than any Christian chapel. The product of artists Chad Sorg and Mark Rippey, the car forest began when Sorg saw just a seed of a project. As he was driving through Goldfield, Nevada, Sorg saw a car standing on its nose in the sand. Intrigued, the artist found that it was the work of Rippey, and by 2011, Sorg had moved to the city to help Rippey expand their forest. Today, over 40 automobiles, including cars, trucks, and vans, have been balanced delicately on their ends or stacked on top of one another, looking like a group of toys some giant child simply left lying around. There is no sign explaining or naming the work, but its official name, the International Car Forest of the Last Church, was given to it by Rippey based on his religious belief that eschews organized religion. Unfortunately, the two artists no longer work together after an angry falling out at a party. However, the forest still stands and will likely outlast those who painted it. Find the International Car Forest of the Last Church off U.S. Highway 95, south of Tonopah, on a dirt road just east of Goldfield, Nevada. From TravelNevada.com, International Car Forest of the Last Church. Just outside what was once one of the wealthiest boom towns in Nevada is another one of the state's incredible outdoor art installations worth traipsing through. Originally created by longtime Goldfield resident Mark Rippey, the curious exhibit was originally conceptualized an open space where artists could let their creativity amuck on cars instead of canvases, implementing whatever medium they desired. Soon after Rippey began to implement his vision, Reno resident Chad Sorg was so intrigued by this fascinating space that he uprooted his life, relocated to Goldfield, and currently lives near the property, continually creating art. Thanks to Rippey and Sorg's uncommon vision, visitors can enjoy this free one-of-a-kind gallery comprised of over 40 cars, each a unique masterpiece of its own. While some cars are forcefully driven into the ground, crawling towards the sky, others are carefully balanced atop each other as though they would topple over at any minute. While other outdoor car exhibits can be enjoyed in other states, like Texas's Cadillac Ranch or Nebraska's Car Henge, it is believed that the International Car Forest of the Last Church is the largest in the country. A few minutes off Nevada's Free Range Art Highway, or Highway 95, and wander through the grounds to get a view of the artistic experience exhibited on the property is well worth your while, lending countless photographic opportunities. So what's behind the name, the International Car Forest of the Last Church, which has no artist statement or information bulletin, is a combination of two ideas: a national forest that people could openly visit, and nod to Rippey's website called The Last Church, which details religious theories that want nothing to do with organized religion. An undeniably interesting roadside attraction make the International Car Forest of the Last Church a place to jump out of the car, your working car that is, when road tripping Nevada's Free Range Art Highway.
We're just fixing to leave and we find this laying here. Jesse S. Linebarger, 1916. Anybody's guess is as good as mine what the death date is. But you know what? Every single one of us is going to have one of these, a headstone or a marker that shows our born date and our death date, and those two dates don't mean anything. What matters is the dash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pieces of trash.
Joe Walsh for president? Free gas for everyone? Frick, sign me up. So that's the Goldfield Automobile Garden, where somebody came out here and planted a bunch of the old derelict cars. So that's all I got for today. If you haven't done so yet, underneath this window is a button that says subscribe. Punch that son of a biscuit and then go ahead and click the bell icon right next to it, so you too can be notified of future uploads. Hammer away that like button if you like the video, and then share it with your vast social media network if you're so inclined. That certainly helps the channel a lot. Thank you for doing that. Tanner's driving me crazy. I'm hungry. God, like the kid can't go without food for 6 hours or something. Jeez. Yes, it's been 6 hours. So until next time, you have fun, stay safe, shoot straight, keep your powder dry, and have a splendid day. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye, 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 bye. Bye, Sunny Boys.
Is it going? Greetings and salutations. Hey, you know the Cadillac Ranch out there in, where is that? Amarillo, Texas. You probably heard of the Cadillac Ranch, haven't you? You know, over in there. And so, have you heard of the Amarillo? Come on, Cadillac, let's go.